Hello, my dear teachers and everyone. Firstly, I want to send my deeply appreciation and grateful to my master, Chuẩn, and all the teachers in EFR organizations. My gratitude also goes out to each and everyone who spent valuable time on listening to me. Today, I will send my pronunciation homework of two sounds that I studied yesterday. Um, there are TH sound, TH unvoiced, and TH voiced. Okay, let's get started. The first one, TH unvoiced. With, breakthrough, things, think, health, anything, something. And the second one is TS voiced. The, they, themselves, these, other, those, there, that. And I want to review the four sounds that I studied last week. These words, these are HH, ZH, CH, and DG. The first one, HH, sh, shackles, cognition, condition, self-perception, aspirations, inaction, destination, shells, insufficient, introspection, motivation, transformation, ZH sound, vision, vision, CH sound, future, change, achieve, age, such, change, which, children, disease sound, judgment, knowledge, judgment, knowledge, average, change, marriage, huge, Thank you very much for spending valuable time on listening to me. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Have a wonderful holiday. Test holiday. Okay, test holiday. Yeah.